Hey guys, in this video we're going to go over how to disable Cloudflare. Very easy. Just go to your browser, type in Cloudflare, and just open this one up, cloudflare.com. And once you're logged into your dashboard, what I want you to do, so you'll see this left-hand panel, right? Just go ahead and click on your domain name. So this is our domain name right here. Just go ahead and click on it, and you'll see all of these options. Just look here on the right hand side. You'll see here at the bottom advanced actions. So either what you can do is just remove this from Cloudflare entirely. So you just click here to go and remove it. Or what you can also do if you want to just disable it and not remove it entirely, you just need to come here at the top right, click on your profile icon, and then go to billing. Okay, now here under billing, you just need to cancel your Cloudflare subscription. That will basically disable it. Okay, now if you found this video helpful, make sure you smash the like button and subscribe to the channel.